Bitcoin price prediction as SEC approves BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF, $1 million BTC possible. Last updated January 10, 2024, 4:28 EST. For read disclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. The Bitcoin BTC price is experiencing choppy trading conditions in wake of the news that the SEC just multiple spot Bitcoin ETF application. Last trading in just under $46,000, the Bitcoin price is close to 1% lower on the day. The regulatory agency gave various U.S. exchanges including NYSE, Nasdaq and Cboe global markets the green light to list and launch trade in various spot Bitcoin ETFs on Thursday. Investors have been eagerly waiting for the SEC to greenlight spot Bitcoin ETFs ever since BlackRock and multiple other ETF providers filed their applications last June. The arrival of spot Bitcoin ETFs, which give investors direct exposure to BTC without having to actually hold it, is a historic moment for the Bitcoin market. The approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs will be interpreted by many as a regulatory thumbs up from the SEC that may help encourage more conservative institutional and retail investors to allocate a portion of their portfolio to BTC. Just as importantly, spot Bitcoin ETFs offer an easy way for non-Web3 savvy investors to get exposure to Bitcoin. Rather than needing to deal with crypto exchange accounts and wallets, investors will be able to buy the new ETFs directly with their existing brokers. All said, spot Bitcoin ETFs are expected to attract a wave of new demand into the Bitcoin market. That's why the Bitcoin price has pumped up nearly 90% from its September 2023 lows under $25,000. Bitcoin price prediction. Where next for BTC? The main focus of the Bitcoin market in the next 2 days will be on two things. First, do we see a sell the fact reaction in wake of spot Bitcoin ETF approvals, as many analysts have warned? Sell the fact refers to a phenomenon where investors aggressively take profit following a positive catalyst. Secondly, how does the first day of spot Bitcoin ETF trade go? Investors will be closely monitoring ETF trading volumes and how much money flows into the new ETFs. Analysts should remember that a lot of recycling is also likely to occur, i.e., money moving from Bitcoin futures ETFs into spot Bitcoin ETFs, which would be market neutral. It's difficult to make short-term Bitcoin price predictions right now given the uncertainty regarding these two factors. For what it's worth, chart analysis suggests a still bullish bias to Bitcoin trade. BTC has continued trending to the upside in recent weeks and remains above its 21 and 50 DMAs. Is $1 million Bitcoin BTC possible? The long-term outlook for Bitcoin is very strong. Bitcoin's fundamentals are far better than they were in 2021 when it hit record highs around $69,000. The cryptocurrency has grown in popularity, adoption, and global acceptance in the last few years. Nothing emphasizes this more than the SEC's latest move to approve spot Bitcoin ETFs. The biggest difference with 2021 is that global financial conditions were far more accommodative back then. Most major central banks, including the Fed, had cut interest rates to zero in 2020 to support growth following COVID-19. As of early 2024, interest rates across major economies like the U.S. are at multi-decade highs. But the Fed is expected to begin cutting interest rates as soon as March. Macro is set to become a major tailwind for Bitcoin in 2024. Meanwhile, just as spot Bitcoin ETFs bring new investors to the market and BTC also benefits from bullish macro narratives, the Bitcoin market is about to experience a supply shock. The BTC issuance rate is going to drop by half in April, reducing sell pressure from miners. New all-time highs in 2024 look very much on the table. Some are even going as far as to predict that BTC could hit $1 million during this bull cycle. So is a $1 million Bitcoin price possible? Well, a $1 million BTC price would suggest a market cap of close to $20 trillion, given that there are currently just under 20 million BTC in existence. That's 45% above the current market cap of gold at $13.7 trillion. Gold remains the world's most important financial reserve asset, but Bitcoin advocates have long argued that the cryptocurrency can supplant gold as the world's reserve asset. Indeed, it boasts a stronger use case. Unlike gold, it is easy for individuals to securely hold and transfer significant amounts of BTC without needing to rely on a third party. Given its advantages, BTC stands a good chance of hitting a $20 trillion market cap and a $1 million Bitcoin price. But this amount of growth is likely to take many years, even decades, to achieve. Crypto alternatives to consider. Bitcoin can offer huge potential upside. but crypto investors should always be on the lookout to diversify their holdings. For those looking to add some beta to their portfolios, an alternative high-risk, high-reward investment strategy to consider is getting involved in crypto pre-sales. This is where investors buy the tokens of upstart crypto projects to help fund their development. These tokens are nearly always sold cheaply, and there is a long history of pre-sales delivering huge exponential gains to early investors. Many of these projects have fantastic teams behind them and a great vision to deliver a revolutionary crypto application/platform. If an investor can identify such projects, the risk/reward of their pre-sale investment is very good. The team at Crypto News spends a lot of time combing through pre-sale projects to help investors out. Here is a list of 15 of what the project deems as the best crypto pre-sales of 2023. See the 15 cryptocurrencies disclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter or quick agreement read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy and terms of service apply. IMG SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals img ID equals newsletter pop-up img